Hi friends, welcome back Bitcoin Facts. Today we are going to covering the crypto news. So latest news was 80% of US and European institutional investors find cryptocurrency appealing in that survey. So the very big adoption happening in US and Europe countries. So this is a very positive move to Bitcoin, and also current Bitcoin price was around $9,900 trading. So last around 1.8% is growing in overnight. So they are great positive move to Bitcoin industry, and this is the one of the favorite and famous news channel of Bitcoin.com. In this news channel website continuously latest news daily updation covering in this news channel. So here a lot of people asking where the Beldex is reviewed in the any news channel or favorite like that. So the people don't know it is happened in news.bitcoin.com also. So you can go to Telegram channel. This is Telegram website. So here 41.7 thousand subscribers are available. So followers are there. So in that we can search Beldex. So we can see the 29th February has reviewed the Bitcoin.com. So Sharia compliance in Bitcoin. That means what it's all about and why exchanges like Beldex seek Muslim traders. So the very good favorite Bitcoin news channel has covered Beldex also. The many of the people not aware about this. So we are continuously the Beldex project working and towards the success only. So it is not any like regular scam projects. It's genuine project only. See here Bitcoin.com. The Muslim countries covered the Beldex by Sharia compliance award. So one of the guy Sharia compliance getting more projects. It is not valid project, but it is not like that. Based on countries, the Sharia compliance certificates is very important for that. Okay, so money is a critical part of everyone's life, and for the religious, it is even viewed as a matter of eternal consequence. While those on the outside may be unaware of the importance of finance, takes on it circles of faith. So many of the people not aware much of financial issues. So the country-wise regulations very must for Sharia compliance law. That means what is Sharia's law? At its most fundamental, Sharia law can be described as the law of Islamic religion. So based on Islamic religion, the Sharia law is very important. So maybe other people may be not aware of that. While interpretations of what is and is not Sharia compliant can vary, there is still a pressing need perceived by practicing Muslims to abide by Sharia or the way. As such, even topics like Bitcoin have been addressed and clarified in the context of the faith. From Sharia compliance exchanges to guidelines on ICOs, Islam's lively address of cryptocurrency in the context of religious morality is not surprising. So it's a testament to just how ubiquitous and important Satoshi's creation has become. With a reported 1.8 billion of followers of Islam worldwide and the top 4 cryptos enjoying a combined market cap of over $200 billion in the world economy, the meeting of peer-to-peer digital assets and faith was inevitable. So key issues for compliance. What is the key issues for this compliance? What is the benefit? Exchanges building themselves as Sharia compliant focus on key issues such as usury, unreasonable interest rates, profiting from debts. That means unnecessarily any interest or transaction fees is there, it will be controlled by this compliance certificate. So gamblings, drug use, perceived sexual immorality, scams and economic uncertainty. Any project if complied by Sharias, it will never use that project is gambling or drugs use and any unnecessary interest, everything will be avoided if the compliance is available. So the Muslim countries are interesting this Sharia compliance. One exchange, Estonia based Beldex. Now the Beldex is topic covered. Notes, it does not allow or associate itself with the aforementioned activities. Another service, crypto brokerage, RAIN, boards it is officially certified by the Bahrain Central Bank licensed Sharia Review Bureau. So this central bank has licensed the Sharia compliance to Beldex, Estonia based country. Now already Beldex in registered in Estonia. Parallelly, first news we seen US and Estonia, Europe countries are very well adopted 80% of crypto industry. So Beldex also registration there. So this is a big positive and a big, previously judged the Beldex why the Estonia share registration happened. Now you can understand. So that's why the Bitcoin, another Bitcoin of Beldex as targeting Muslim countries. Sharia Bitcoin's common ground peer-to-peer consequence. So maybe some of the people now they will. I hope they stop to talk about Beldex in negative or unfaith stories. So Bitcoin.com is one of the favorite news channel. Here also Beldex has covered. Now step by step the Beldex is growing continuously. The worldwide Beldex will grow in standard successful only. There is no any luckily growing. It will be standard grow will happen by this project. So after that the Beldex coin ranking in cryptoslat.com. So coin ranking in coin market cap is 235 rank. So in master node technology 10th rank in out of 177 rank. So proof of stacking is 31th rank out of 382. So proof of work 38th rank out of 493 proof of work projects. So in privacy coins 13th place out of 18th 80. So this is the Beldex ranking area. So if you have doubt you can check it in Google cryptoslat.com. So thank you. Subscribe the channel, like the video and share to your business friends. Welcome.